It's been 50 years since the 1975 tornado, a storm that killed 3 people, injured over 100, and devastated many neighborhoods like Westgate. To remember the day, neighbors past and present came together at Pipple Park.
Thanks to this community, we can still call it home.
One by one, neighbors shared stories of survival, what they remember as the tornado passed through, and the moments that followed.
From a community building standpoint, I mean, just look around today and at the people have gathered to remember it and remember each other. It's a life-changing event, and I'm glad I was there for it.
For the Balmer siblings who lived right next to Westgate Elementary, events like this allow them to reflect and revisit the neighborhood.
So many things are different, but the house that was rebuilt after the tornado is still there. So it's always, kind of fun to kind of go back and think a little bit about that.
It was a night filled with laughter and tears as neighbors remember a devastating day in Omaha history that lives on with so many.